Hello, welcome everybody. We are live. Thank you so much for joining in. I am super excited to have you guys here. Today we're going to do a whole market update. Basically go over some of my hottest stocks that I've been following and give you guys some of the best dip buys, guys, and what is on the bullish trend. Who is on the bullish trend? And what kind of market are we in right now? Because I can tell you what, guys, not a lot of people are really wanting to buy right now. It's a really bearish market, but there's a few stocks right now that have come down to a nice support level. And if you guys have watched my videos in the past, you know that I love talking about support levels and knowing what your support are and knowing what your resistance is, so you guys can have an entry and an exit already planned before you even enter a stock. So thank you guys for joining me. It's been a few days since I went live on this channel and I've been able to come out and talk with you guys. But today, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. We talk about some of the hottest stocks, guys. I follow it. I got my apps right here. I got my my special software and robots that I have that help me trade and help me find what is looking good, and I follow it, guys, and I take my notes and I look at the news. I look at the average order volume, and you guys will see in my videos that I cover about 3 different websites that allow me to make a great decision if the stock is a buy or bearish or bullish, right? And these 3 different websites I will cover with you today. We're going to go over a few different stocks, okay? So the first sector that I want to talk about is the electric vehicle market, guys. The electrical vehicle market has been going crazy because of Tesla is at such high levels, guys. And Tesla is all over the road. If you guys drive down the road, tell me, isn't it hard to find not a Tesla? They're out there like crazy. So the electrical vehicle market is incredible with these 2 stocks. And what I'm going to be telling you right now is powerful, guys. So the first one is called Lucid Dream Motors, and their car won the motor trend of the year in 2022. So 2022, next year, they already won that motor trend of the year award. All right. And they're already delivering cars. I've talked about this before. So they're delivering cars. They got motor trend of the year, and their stock has went up to high resistance levels of upwards of $58, guys. And now they're back here down at about $40 support. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up that stock right now, guys, and we'll go ahead and take a look at Lucid, so that way you guys can get an idea what I am talking about. So the electrical vehicle market is super bullish, guys, and they're delivering cars. So if you see my chart here on the screen, it was upwards of about 3 days ago on the 1st of December at $56, guys, $56. Here again at 56 on the 30th of November. And let's see here. I'll just go scroll over a little bit. So you guys see here, the resistance levels was about 56, and it hit it about 4 or 5 times, guys. So it wanted to go higher. But now we're back here at support upwards of 39 to 40, guys. And this morning would have been a great time to buy down here at 39 and 40 level support. So follow Lucid, guys. Lucid is delivering cars. They got an amazing car, guys. It's like one of the best electric cars that I think that are out there besides Tesla. And the third one on the list that I want to share with you guys is FSR, which is Fisker. And Fisker has been able to follow alongside the electric vehicle market, where, you know, good news was coming from Tesla, good news was coming from Lucid. Fisker has a ton of good news, guys. So their stock is still on a bullish run. It's on a bullish run, guys. And they have support levels here at 17, 18. And we could see resistance levels of about 22, 24. So this is a good level, guys, for the electrical vehicle market. 17, 16 for Fisker, with the resistance level of about $25, guys. So look at this. This is a good play right here. So if you had an opportunity to buy Fisker or buy Lucid, for these electrical vehicle market plays. This sector is very hot. So I will cover the 3 different websites that I like to use when I'm looking at stocks, guys. And these 3 different websites help me make my educated decision on whether this is a good decision or a bad decision. So we'll go ahead and take a look at those right now. I hope you guys are having a great day. You guys are enjoying the day outside. You're taking a break from the market a little bit. But these are some of the stocks that I want to share with you guys. There's quite a few of them. The next sector that I'm going to get to here in a moment is the biotechnology sector, the clinical stage immunology sector, basically where they're doing tests to help people with COVID and to test COVID. And there's a big market shift right now with Omicron, whatever it's called. It's really shifted the stock market. So a lot of things that were bullish are now actually bearish because of this stock market twist. And a lot of the vaccine companies like Moderna, they're going down right now, and Novavax, they're going down. And these are strong biotechnology vaccine companies, pharmaceutical companies. And right now there's just a big shift, guys, and it's really changed the market. So I want you guys to understand what's happening right now and know that there's only a few sectors that are actually looking better and better each day. And one of them is the electrical vehicle, and the other is the biotechnology, the biopharmaceutical, bioclinical stage market. And we're going to go over those stocks. So I just wanted to kind of preface that to get you guys excited about why I'm excited about it, because there's some incredible dip buy opportunities with these stocks right now. Incredible dip buys, guys. I love the dip buys. I love the support levels. That way you load up at support, guys. That is the secret, loading up at support. So let me go ahead and share my screen, guys, and we're going to go over a few different stocks together right now here live. So the first one is we're going to shoot back on to Lucid, LCID. And Lucid Group, what I always look at is the average order volume. And it's over here to the left of me a little bit, or to the right of me. You'll see average order volume. I always use this on Market Watch, guys. It's super important. I like to see over 200 or over 300% on a percent of average order volume. And I always like to look at the performance down here below. What is the performance on the 5-day, the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year? And I want to see a buy rating. The next thing I want to see is there are a lot of news articles. And I've been following Lucid now since it was at $26, guys. I was calling it a buy at $25, $26. So I already know Lucid is a winner. But now it's upwards at $50. So it's a little high. But support levels are at $40 and $39. And there's a lot of news, guys. There's tons of news. So if you ever want to find good news, use Market Watch, because they have press release companies that go in here and they do their news. And they also have the Market Watch news and the Dow Jones news. So you get some pretty cool articles each day by at least one of them, guys. So let me kind of move my head here or go this way. This is what I want to share with you. You got recent news on Market Watch. You got the Dow Jones news. You got the Market Watch news. And then if you scroll down here, you got other news and then also press releases. So you're always going to find something with Market Watch website. They got something for your stock. And this is actually a lot of news, guys. So let's go ahead and open up one of them that I had liked here. It's this right here, Tesla dips. Let's take a look at this. Lucid Motor tumbles. You know what? It means it's a great time to buy. That's what it means, guys. So, that's what it means. So just take a look at these companies, guys. Look to buy under 40, under $39. Get in those support levels. Know what you're looking at. Know this has been on the downtrend, guys. It's been on a downtrend the last few days. So it's been a great time to load up on this stock. The next one that we'll take a look at is what I was sharing with you earlier, which is Fisker Motors, electrical vehicle motors, guys. and they do have an average order volume a little bit over 100% right now. It's not high average order volume. So for example, if we go to a stock right now, which is CFVI, it's a new SPAC deal. This would have like over 3,000% right now. And you guys see that over 3,000%. This is a new SPAC deal with Rumble, which is like a YouTube social media network. And we'll go ahead and talk about this stock here in a moment. But this is an incredible SPAC deal where it's the Trump followers. So if you guys know the Trump fans, like the Fun mobile app and Digital World, which is the DWAC stock, this is like the Trump people. You know what I mean? They love to invest in this. Like they work together and they invest together. So what I want to say is that this Rumble deal is part of like the Don Jr., the Trump Don Jr. He tweeted this company out, and it's a SPAC deal where they partnered with Rumble. Okay, and Rumble is like a YouTube of freedom of speech. Like, so if you wanted to have a YouTube channel and talk about politics without getting censored, you could have your own channel on Rumble. Like, for example, our President Trump, he can't be on any social media network, but he's actually on Rumble, guys. So this is what's cool, because they actually protect the ability to post what you want if it's like, not violent or hate speech, obviously, but they protect you. And I think that's a great idea. And I think that this SPAC deal, it's $1 billion deal, but I think it's huge, guys. It's huge. So I am long on this stock right here, CFVI. And we'll go over this later, guys, but I wanted to cover this really quick because this is just the example of the average order volume being really, really high. Probably another one that's going crazy right now, trending, is Siggy. No, I think I spelled it wrong, but I just wanted to see what would be an average order volume really high. And obviously it's this one right here, over 3,000%. So guys, this is powerful. So this is the website that I use a lot, Market Watch. The other one is called Investor Observer. We'll go ahead and pull up Lucid here on Investor Observer. And what's great about it is it gives you the fundamentals, guys. And it's really hard to get like good fundamentals. Like, not a lot of websites give you the good fundamentals. And this is what I like about it. I mean, look at the chart, guys. The chart is going up. Look at the chart. The chart is looking really good, right? My head's in the way, but here it is. It's going to find support right here, guys, and then look for another leg up. The electrical vehicle market is really hot right now. So this is Lucid. Let's take a look at Fisker, FSR. Let's see the fundamentals on Fisker. And look at that, baby. Look at that. Really high, guys. Again, Fisker is on that support level. So guys, what I want to share with you is that I only want to show you stocks that have good support levels. I only want to show you stuff that is, where you're going to buy into it and it's going to be a good time to buy. Okay, so these are stocks that are good time to buy. Now, the next big company, or the next big thing that I want to share with you guys is the therapeutics niche and the biotechnology niche and the biotechnology stocks. So that's the next niche that I want to talk with you guys about. So let me go ahead and prepare that here while I talk with you guys. So how many of you have followed, the COVID stocks, the biotechnology? You guys understand, like Moderna? What happened with Moderna? It was like at $27 at one point, went to 30, went to 40, and it just kept skyrocketing, guys. Well, these biotechnology companies have these clinical stage immunologies where they protect people from getting sick and getting, sick with the virus and COVID. And these therapeutic companies and biotechnology companies are on the rise right now because of Omicron. Omicron basically disturbed the whole vaccine market. So right now, these companies are now more important than ever. Okay, and one of them is called LGVN, which is for long variant, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that stock up right here on Webull. I'm going to show you guys my chart. But this stock has been trending like crazy, guys. Long variant for a while now, and today was on a big bullish run, long variant, guys. So let me go ahead and share my screen. You can see what I'm talking about. Long variant is bullish, guys. It was on a bullish run again today, and they deal with the biotechnology for immunologies and clinical stage testing, and it's only becoming more and more valuable as this new variant is growing. So guys, it's like already this was really important, this whole sector, guys, of the therapeutics and the biotechnology, but now it's even more important with this new Omicron variant. It disturbed everything so much that now it's like completely, like now if you could imagine, the buy rating goes higher. The put is now higher because of the vaccine market is so unstable right now, because nothing is really like the sure remedy. But these other stocks actually have great technology and great clinical stage technology that is actually working, and it's looking very good against the Omicron. Against Omicron, guys. So these companies that I'm going to share with you are going to be powerful to fight against Omicron. So that is the unique idea here. That is the idea. So this is the chart today of LGVN. I've been inside of this company trading now for the last like week and a half, guys. I've been trading LGVN. I really like it. I have a put of 30. I have a put of 40. And I have a support. The support levels are down here at 19, 18 for a long variant, guys. So let me go ahead and share my screen here so you guys can see what is happening with these companies, so you guys can get an idea, the big picture, because they're all going up together. The whole sector is going up, guys. The whole sector is going up. So let me go ahead and pull up my screen here. That way you guys can see the power of this sector, guys. This sector is amazing. It's gonna go crazy here soon. It's gonna go crazy. It's going crazy right now. It's with this Omicron, everything changed. Everything changed. It's not the same anymore. Even the stock market is not the same because of this Omicron virus. So I'm trying to pull it up here. My Investor Observer website here. That way you guys can take a look at my screen. You guys can follow along. Let me see here. I hope you guys are having a great day, by the way. You guys are, with family, trading at home, doing what you do. I don't know what you guys do for a living. I do e-commerce. So when I'm not trading, I'm mostly doing, online sales, online marketing, and e-commerce stuff. And that's, my passion is trading. My passion is online sales and marketing and advertising. But right now, like, I love to find opportunities, guys. I see the electrical vehicle market as a huge opportunity. I see this new COVID variant being a huge opportunity. So that's the idea here, guys, is that we want to basically get in front of something before it comes to play out. You know what I mean? It's like we already see the momentum going. We see the momentum going, and we want to get in front of that momentum. And so that's the idea. And that's what I want for you guys. That's what I want for your families. That's what I want for, people that follow me and subscribe to this channel, is that I want you guys to be able to win with this market. Okay. I want you guys to be able to win with this, difficult market. You guys have the right tools to win. Okay. So this is Investor Observer. I love this website. It's one of the second websites that I use, and I'll show you the third one here in a moment. So you got LGVN, and I just want to read you the description here. It's a biotechnology company developing cellular therapies for specific aging related and life-threatening conditions. It is involving in sponsoring clinical trials to following indications: aging, frailty, Alzheimer's disease, and acute respiratory distress syndrome. So really, it's all about the breathing problems and how these these therapies can help people breathe better, especially during COVID. So here's another stock that I want to bring up to you guys is called ADGI, and ADGI Therapeutics is specifically fighting this COVID virus, guys. So we'll go ahead and I'll read to you the description here for Adagio Therapeutics. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, and it's focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of antibody-based solutions for infectious diseases with pandemic potential. The company's lead product candidate, ADG20, is developed for the treatment and prevention of the coronavirus disease of 2019 COVID-19, the disease caused by the virus SARS-CoV-2 and its variants. So guys, this company, ADGI, okay, huge potential. This is the next stock that I wanted to share with you guys, and the biotechnology sector this is it right here, guys. This one, ADGI, okay, and I will share with you. Let's go to Market Watch and let's pull it up as well. It's hanging out right here at about 30.33, guys. It was down here about $31 here about 30 minutes ago. Now it's up at 33.34. And this, for me, I really liked it, guys. It was upwards of $78 a few weeks ago. So I like ADGI a lot, guys. It's got a great buying opportunity here. Let's go ahead and pull up the Webull chart for Adagio Therapeutics, guys. The Webull chart. That's super important. So something that I look at, I just want to show you guys one more thing. Something I look at is the last website that I look at is called stockinvest.us. Stockinvest.us. And the reason I like it is they help you find the great support levels, guys. The support levels. So remember I talked about when you're going to invest, you want to know the resistance level, which is like where it's having a hard time breaking the resistance, meaning going up, or where it's having a hard time breaking support. So you have resistance and support. You got to know this stuff before you get inside a stock, guys. And so ADGI went down today all the way to 31, guys. And support level is at 43. And it's also showing a buy rating. It's showing a buy rating, guys. So think about it. That's the power here is you have a buy rating, right? And also a support level of 43 here. But yet it went all the way down to 41. And I bought it. Guys. So I bought it down there at 32, 31, and I'm looking for resistance upwards of past 40, guys. There's a resistance here of ADGI at $46. So look for a $30 support upwards of $30 support with $40 resistance or more, $45 resistance, guys, for this company right here, ADGI. This is a great buying opportunity. I followed this today, guys. It was awesome. I loved it. It was a great opportunity, guys, to make for a trade. It was a great trade today. I will show you where it was just a few days ago, so you guys can take a look at that. So we'll go ahead and back it up about 5 days on the chart. Back it up 5 days. Guys, look at this. Just on 11/30, it was upwards at $73. $74. It was like almost $78 that guys. $78 that day. Anyways, it hasn't been like on a crazy downtrend. It's been on a downtrend, but not too crazy. But today it had like an aggressive, retracement. And it bounced right here at, let's see, about $31, guys. It bounced. And I was so excited to buy. I was so excited, guys. I was all over it. I was buying at 31, 32, 31, and here we are. So this is a great play, guys. This is that biopharmaceutical play that I was talking about. So let's take a look at the second stock or the third stock in this biopharmaceutical plays. You got LGVN. Remember, we looked at LGVN, guys. Let's take a look at it one more time. LGVN for Longverion. Longverion. Okay, amazing stock, guys, in the biopharmaceutical. That's the first one. The second one is ADGI. Okay, now the third one that I'm going to introduce to you guys has a lot of momentum, and it's a great time to buy, and it's so simple to remember. It's so simple to remember, guys. It's called VIR Biotechnology. VIR Biotechnology, guys. Let me move my big head here, and you guys can take a look at the chart here, the chart analysis. It's on a downtrend, but not like, oh, this thing is going, the opposite of the moon. No, it's on a downtrend, but basically it's hitting support here, guys. This has got a similar chart to ADGI, guys. It's got a similar chart to ADGI. So let's take a look at ADGI again. ADGI. Hey, look at that. This is ADGI, right? We were just at VIR. Look at VIR. It's like the similar chart right there. Boom. It's like the same thing. Okay. So this is the idea, guys, is that right here at 38 is a good support for VIR. Let me go ahead and show you guys what VIR is all about. VIR is awesome, guys. They are a biotechnology company, and they too have a ton of potential with this new virus, guys, and this new what's going on with this virus. Like, you guys get what I mean? Like, there's a lot going on with this virus, and the therapeutics and the biotech, like, there's just so much potential now. Like, now it's wide open. Now it's wide open. It's like, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Right? Meaning, you have all these stocks that actually help you with combating the new COVID Omicron. So the COVID Omicron is a big deal, right? And these companies have the possibility to be better than some of the remedies that are out there right now. And that's the cool part about this, guys. That's what's awesome, is that we're being a part of something that actually is helping people, right? And helping people, with their health and getting better and not dying of COVID. I mean, that to me is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right here. We're going to take a look at Market Watch, and we're going to pull up the company VIR right here. What's up? What's up, everybody? We are talking about biotechnology stocks and the possibility of them being, double here in the next short term, a few weeks, guys. This is a short term play. Biotechnology, because of the Omicron virus here, we're looking at some great plays, guys, and really important stocks that are going to be helping with this Omicron and the COVID pandemic here, guys. So follow this company here, VIR. Save it on your watch list. I'm looking at a buy rating here at this support level, guys. It is a buy. It is a buy, guys. It's a buy for VIR, biotechnology, and we should see this $40 support level hold. We should see this support level hold. It's here at about $38, so it should hold this $38, guys, and we should see a nice short-term play back up to about $45 at resistance, guys. So this is similar to ADGI. This is the similar play, guys. Both powerful biotechnology stocks on a good dip, on a nice dip right here, guys. They're on a good dip. Good support dip. That's what it's all about. It's got to get in there. You got to get that support dip. Look at the fundamentals right here, guys. Look at the fundamentals. There's so many stocks that people get excited about, but the fundamentals suck. The fundamentals suck, guys. Like, look at this. A stock that popped off the other day, name was like Tom's or something like that. Tom's not so bad. Tom's not so bad. But there was another one. It was like Tony or something, and it was terrible. It was like a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Let me see if it was CNTX. So I'm always looking at this, guys. Yeah, this is what it was. CNTX. It's at 4, a fundamental of 4. And yeah, this is a really hot stock right now, CNTX. I'm not buying it, but because I don't like the fundamentals. I don't like the fundamentals. So that's my deal, guys, is that I'm always looking at the fundamentals. And so this is another clinical stage immunology company focused on treating and preventing infectious diseases, guys. And it's focused on the antibodies, the T cells, the immunity, and the small, whatever. So this is it, guys. This is the real deal. This is stuff that's going to help with this COVID, and it's at a good support here. Take a look at it, follow it, guys. Check it out. This is the real deal, guys. This is exciting. Like, this is what I get excited about, is finding a stock before it becomes huge, before it becomes a blow up, guys. So that's what I'm all about, is we're here doing our research, right? We're doing our research, and we're going to find something before it has a big explosion, before it does the big spike. We want to get in before the spike. We want to get in, right at the bottom of the spike. So that's the plan, guys. Is I hope that I was able to bring some light to this and give you guys some examples of what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for, when I'm looking at stocks. But it's really easy, guys. It's all about finding a good sector. Okay, it's all about doing your research, finding the good support levels and resistance levels, and then knowing what sector is actually growing in momentum, right? Which sector is growing with like for right now, we know the sector of COVID is growing because people are scared, they're worried. It's a growing idea, like antibodies and getting in front of this virus, right? Like finding the problem and fixing it, right? With the vaccine or whatnot. So these companies are super valuable because they're able to test, they're able to have scientists, and they're able to like do all these tests, and have these machines that no one else has access to. So it's like a valuable company. So you got that, and then you got the electrical vehicle market, and we know Tesla is at like an all-time high. Tesla has broken like every record. So what does that mean? The electrical vehicle market is breaking records too, along with Tesla. The idea of electric cars, driving electric cars, it's a huge deal, guys. So that is a huge market. That's what I started with in this video. Is all about electrical vehicles and how you guys can get in front of that and make money with that, and what stocks that I'm looking at for the electrical vehicle market. Okay. And so this is it, guys. This is it. This is your time. This is your time to win. This is your time to succeed. This is your time to make a difference. This is your time to grab, to just go for it. You know what I mean? So do your research, guys. Put up your watch list. Download Webull. Okay, I got Webull on my iPad, guys. It is awesome, awesome, guys. Let me show you this. I love the iPad trading here. So one of the apps that I use is called Momo. I love Momo. It's one of my secret apps, guys, that I use when I'm following different stocks and I want to see who's bullish, who's looking bearish. Cool application, guys. Another thing that I love is trading right here with right here on the Webull on the iPad, guys. It is a game changer. Get a bigger device, get a bigger screen. It helps you trade better, guys. And I recommend every night, you guys write down in your notes what looked good, in the morning, and what looked good at noon, what looked good in the afternoon. It's like every morning, noon, and afternoon is like a different market. You guys write your notes. Oh, such and such stock looked very good, or oh, such a stock looked bad. So then you start counting it up and you start saying, this one actually is looking for the next leg up because it's looking better and better each day. And you start taking your notes, guys. So have your notes each night. I always write notes down for the stocks that I'm looking at. And if anything is looking bad, I put it down there. This is looking bad or this is looking good. And then I'm able to judge if I was right or I was wrong the next morning. If something is looking really good, something is running, and I put notes in the night before that I thought it was going to, that's actually good for me. That actually makes me feel like, okay, I know what I was on to something. So that's the idea, guys, is get your notes, check out those 3 different websites that I use: stockinvest.us, Investor Observer, okay, and then Market Watch. Those 3 websites, guys, will help you a lot. Okay, so I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see you win. Take a look at the biotechnology sector. Take a look at the electrical vehicle market. And I got one more stock I'll leave you with, guys, that I did not talk about with you at all today, which is called Grab. Grab is a SPAC deal, one of the biggest SPAC deals in history, a $40 billion SPAC deal. This is insane, guys. Grab is growing all over the Southeast Asia, like Philippines, all over Southeast Asia, guys, like everywhere. Like people are ordering on their phone. You know that as well as I do, for Uber, food, delivery. People don't want to go to the market. They want to order McDonald's. It's such a convenience. It's such a game changer, right? It's incredible. Well, this thing is going viral in Southeast Asia, and Grab is here in the United States inside of our stock market with the company Grab. So it's a SPAC deal, $40 billion deal. Anyways, it's sitting at $8 right now, and it's consolidating, guys. It's consolidating right here at $8. So let's take a look at Grab, guys. Let's take a look at Grab. It's at 886 right here after hours. Let me go ahead and share my screen. You guys can take a look at what I'm seeing here. But Grab is something that I was following, guys, before it became Grab. It was called AGC. But guys, this is truly going to be game changer. It ran the other morning all the way to 17, 18, and then it came back down to 8, and it's been consolidating here at 8, guys. So you see it ran to 17, came down to 8, and just been consolidating right here between 9 to 8, 9 to 8, 9 to 8. So you should see a big leg up on Grab, and you should see a lot of bullish signs on Grab, guys. So watch out for this company. It's truly exciting. I've been investing in it. I've been getting involved with Grab. It is, I believe in it. It's like, just think of Uber Eats. Think of DoorDash. Think of all these companies that deliver, guys. They're amazing, right? Like, we need them. Instacart, all these companies. So, but there's only one main company in Southeast Asia that does all that, and that is called Grab. It's a huge deal, guys. This is the biggest SPAC deal in history. So that is the potential here. I want to see you guys win. My name is Scott Rayleigh, and I am here, and I will definitely reply to your comments, guys. If you guys want to share with me, what are your ideas? What are you thinking? Maybe you're like, hey, Scott, I don't think support level is here. I think support level would be here or there, or maybe you have another stock that you want me to take a look at, you want to share with me, then definitely do. And I will maybe do a review video just like this, and we can go over your stock and give a chart analysis and build up some type of report. That way you guys can feel comfortable with what you're getting into before you get into it. Because, hey, you don't want to get into something and be losing money. You guys want to get into something on the uptrend, on the bullish trend. Or whether you're shorting a stock, you want to get in on something that's, really high with no news, has bad fundamentals. And then, yeah, definitely short the stock if it's really high with bad fundamentals and no news and really no one knows about it. Yeah, short the stock. Yeah, and that's possible too. So guys, that's what we're doing here, and we are having a lot of fun, and it's exciting. So find the sector that works for you, that's really high, that's going places. I found it. That's the electrical vehicle market, and that's the biotechnology market, guys. So that's my 2 favorite sectors right now. I hope you guys appreciate this video. If you did, like the channel, like the channel, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you guys are looking into right now when it comes to the stock market. My name is Scott Rayleigh, and I appreciate you guys. I'm out, going to get some food, and going to enjoy the rest of my day.